I certainly hope not.
If you got laid off, you'd be flipping hamburgers, too.
Oh, great. We could both work at Burger King.
Maybe we'd get laid off there, too.
Do your students ever talk about their jobs?
Yes, and they ask me what jobs are the best.
I tell my students to become a teacher.
Teaching is a great job.
It's the best job I've ever had.
What makes it so good?
For me, it's the students.
What do you mean?
I mean I have wonderful students.
That must be nice.
Teaching is the best part of my whole day.
You're a lucky man to have a job you love.
Boy, I'm glad that job is finished.
How long did it take?
4 hours, without a break.
It's always nice to finish a job.
Well, it's good and bad.
What's bad about it?
When you finish, all you do is start another job.
Yes, that's right. It does get boring.
Especially if it's the same work, over and over.
But that's what most people do.
Yes, I guess most of us are stuck in a routine.
I wonder if there is any job that you don't repeat over and over.
I think I have the worst boss in the world.
What makes him so bad?
He's rude and he yells a lot.
That's hard to take.
I've never heard him say please or thank you.
He sounds like a real jerk.
No one at work likes him.
Can't you report him to his supervisor?
Of course not. If I do that, I'll lose my job.
Yes, they don't like troublemakers or complainers.
I can't quit, because I'm making a good salary.
You shouldn't choose money over happiness.
What are we going to do?
About what?
About finding a job for me.
You don't need a job. I make enough money for both of us.
That doesn't matter. I don't want to sit around.
Okay, what kind of job do you want?
I'm not sure.
Well, you should do something that you enjoy.
I enjoy selling. I was born to sell.
Okay, what do you want to sell?
Cigarette lighters. I'll make a fortune.
But you hate cigarettes and you hate smoking.
A new hotel is looking for workers.
Yes, I saw it on the TV news.
They need 300 new workers.
And 4,000 people showed up.
So many people are out of work.
I still have my job, thank goodness.
So do I, but I'm worried.
Me, too. There are no guarantees.
If you lose your job, you can't move in with me.
Oh, thank you. That's very nice of you.
You would do the same for me.
Of course. What are friends for?
I think I did something real stupid.
What did you do?
I bought some stock.
Everybody buys stock.
I bought it on a hunch.
You didn't read about the company first.
I didn't have to. It's been in business for 60 years.
So, what's the problem?
I used all my savings on this one company.
You put all your eggs into one basket.
If the company goes out of business, I'll have nothing.
Oh, you'll have something. You'll have a lesson you'll never forget.
I was going to be a doctor.
What happened to your plans?
I got a D in college chemistry.
Well, a D is better than an F.
A tutor helped me get the D.
So, you didn't become a doctor.
And now I'm glad that I didn't.
Why is that?
A hospital is the most dangerous place in the world.
Oh, yes, because of all the killer germs.
If you're a smart doctor, you stay away from hospitals.
Yes, the smart doctors are those TV news doctors, no hospitals, no patients.
I want to be a mail carrier when I grow up.
Why?
Because you get to meet a lot of people.
You sure do.
And you get a lot of exercise every day.
That's the truth.
And you get to play with a lot of dogs.
Well, you're supposed to be working.
Yes, but I will always pet the friendly dogs.
What about the unfriendly dogs?
I think if you are friendly to dogs, they are friendly to you.
Dogs are like people. Not all of them are friendly.
I want to move to New York.
To the state or the city.
To the city, of course.
Why do you want to move there?
Because I want to make a lot of money.
There are a lot of poor people in New York.
There sure are, at least 1 million.
So how do you plan to become rich?
I will knock on the doors of all the corporations.
That won't make you rich. Nobody will talk to you.
I will keep knocking on doors.
All you will get is sore knuckles.
I love salads.
Me, too.
I usually eat a simple salad.
What do you put in it?
Just lettuce, tomato, and celery.
That's it?
I add some pepper and salt.
I always put cheese in my salads.
Yes, cheese is nice.
What kind of dressing do you use?
I pour lots of French dressing on top.
Me, too. French dressing is so delicious. Who cares about calories?
I love cheese.
Me, too.
Where does cheese come from?
It comes from cows.
So we get cheese from cows, and we get milk, too?
Yes, we do.
What else do we get from cows?
We get hamburgers and steak.
Oh, that's so delicious.
We also get leather.
We get a lot of things from cows, don't we?
Yes. A cow is man's best friend.
I used to work in a deli.
How did you like it?
I loved it.
Did you get free food?
I ate free cheese and meat every day.
That sounds like a great job.
Whatever a customer ordered, I sliced off a little more for me.
Did you get fat?
No, but I did put on a few pounds.
That sounds like a dream job.
It was, until one day my manager caught me.
No more free cheese for you, huh?
I'm on a new diet.
What are you eating now?
I switched from pasta to potatoes.
Why did you do that?
Pasta is processed food. Potatoes are natural food.
Natural food has more vitamins.
And it's just as easy to prepare.
How do you prepare the potatoes?
I wash them, and then steam them for 15 minutes.
That's pretty simple.
Then I add butter, salt, and pepper.
Can I have all those cans of tomato sauce you bought for your pasta?
My girlfriend's mom got mad at me at the dinner table.
Why was that?
I sprinkled salt and pepper on the food before I tasted it.
What's the matter with that?
Her mom is a great cook.
So, a little salt and pepper never hurt anything.
It hurt her feelings.
Oh,
I apologized to her, but I could tell she was still upset.
maybe you shouldn't eat there again.
I'm sure everything will be okay in a day or two.
It's your girlfriend's fault. She should have warned you.
I eat the same thing every day.
You're kidding.
No, I'm serious.
Doesn't that get old?
No, because I'm eating food that I like.
But the same thing day after day gets old.
Well, I guess if it ever does get old, I'll change to something different.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables every day?
No, I hate vegetables.
But you eat fruits.
I eat 2 apples, 1 banana, and 1 orange every day.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that.
There's something wrong with my orange.
What's wrong?
It's not orange.
Your orange isn't orange?
No, it's dark pink.
Are you sure? I never heard of such a thing.
I just peeled it, and I'm looking at it right now.
Let me see. Yes, you're right. Your orange is pink.
Who ever heard of such a thing?
Oh, look. Here's the little sticker that was on it. It's called a pink navel.
What is this world coming to?
Who knows? Maybe soon we'll have pink bananas.
I love peanuts.
Me, too. I love them roasted and salted.
I love boiled peanuts.
Boiled? I never heard of that.